VitaSeal is marketed as a blood health supplement that supposedly improves circulation and promotes overall wellness. But the real question is, does it actually improve blood health, or is it another supplement making broad health claims? Now, to be fair, certain vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds can play important roles in maintaining healthy blood function and cardiovascular health. Good nutrition is an important part of overall wellness. What it does well may provide beneficial nutrients. If the formula contains vitamins, minerals, or antioxidants, it could help support general health. Could support overall wellness. Some ingredients commonly found in blood health supplements are associated with normal cardiovascular function. Where the hype falls apart. It is unlikely to dramatically improve blood health on its own. This is the biggest issue. Blood health depends on many factors, including diet, exercise, medical conditions, and genetics. The term, blood health, is often vague. Marketing materials frequently use broad language without clearly defining measurable benefits. Scientific evidence may not support all claims. Research on individual ingredients does not automatically prove the finished product works as advertised. So, does VitaSeal actually improve blood health? Short answer. It may provide nutritional support that contributes to overall wellness, but there is little reason to expect dramatic improvements in blood health from the supplement alone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.